warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Sheila Nana Putri. I am from Department Faculty English Education of IKIP Siliwangi. So today I will be present from evaluating course book based on Cunningsworth theory. So this is a book, and the title, this is analysis from course book. This is a book of evaluation. The title course book for to grade vocational high school 2018. The author is Eka Moya Astuti and the publisher from Erlangga. So today I will be explain about list of the content. The first is review. The third is research method. The fourth is result, and the last is discussion. Okay. It's a background of the research, burning issues, introduction. Textbooks are guides for teachers and students that students can refer back to when they need, and explanation in textbook can also help students to learn. And research of problem. A textbook, it is considered good if it can help students learn easily. The textbook should have information that is clear and straightforward so that it is easily understood by reader. A good textbook uses simple language. Textbooks also usually insert pictures to make it more interesting and easy to understand by users. Next, research question. To what extent does the English textbook for 11th grade high school entitled Practice Your English Competence, English textbook for grade 2 vocational high school 2018 meets the requirement of a good and appropriate English textbook based on Cunningsworth? Aim of the research: to evaluate English textbooks for high school for the 11th grade entitled Practice Your English Competence, English course book for to grade vocational high school 2018. A. Definition of a textbook. Cunningsworth 1995 identifies a textbook as a research in presenting the material, a source for learners to practice and do the activities. B. Criteria of a good course book. Literature Review, Romero 1975. A good textbook should be introduced in series. The lesson should be short and well organized. Exercise should be short, never more than 10 or 15 items of the same type. The textbooks should include short dialogues, and the last, the textbook should have attainable aims. Next, from Lee Mariani 1980, recommend the following suggestion for choosing an English textbook. The textbook should convey general impression to the teachers. The layout of lessons or units should influence the utilization of the book in the classroom. Illustration should be decorative and serve a specific purpose. The objectives should be stated clearly. The content of the textbook should reflect student needs and interests. The textbook should start to develop language skills. The textbooks should help for interest, motivation, and variety in teaching situation. The textbook should motivate students to read and comprehend its overall parts. The next is criteria of a good course book from Harmer 2007. Good textbooks often contain lively and interesting material. Good textbooks provide a sensible progression of language items. Good textbook clearly showing what has to be learned, and in some cases summarizing what has been studied so that students can revise grammatical and functional points that they have been concentrating on. Textbook can be systematic about the amount of vocabulary present to the student. Good textbook allows students to study on their own outside the class. Next, criteria of a good course book from Lee, 1975. The textbook should not give long grammatical explanation, list of words to be learned in translation in exercise from translation from the native language into English, vice versa. It should give examples of sentence containing the structure to be taught. It should lead students to the translation type of learning. The structures and vocabulary of the text should be attached to real situation. It should have cartoon and natural dialects as many as possible so that learning becomes more stimulating for the learners. Next, see textbooks evaluation. Konigsberg theory. It's the first is aims and approaches. The second is design and organization. The third is language content. The fourth is skills. The fifth is topic, and the last methodology. Research design, descriptive qualitative research, data source, English coursebook for vocational high school 20 and 18, a model used by student grade 11 on the first semester until last semester. The book was written by Eka Mulia Astuti and published by Erlangga, which was consisted of 1005 page and divided into 10 chapters. Data analysis technique. This research used document analysis or content analysis method to describe the evolution of the textbooks. Janasic, 1994 in Eri et al. 2002. This is for the result table. HD 2000 is very good. 60% to 79% is good. 50% and 59% is fair, and under 50% is poor. Result and discussion for part A. Aims and approaches. The table shows that the objective and learning of the textbook are good, or the textbooks are in accordance with the teaching program and with the needs of students. This is in line with that's a good textbook should have achievable goals. However, material that is not in accordance with the objective 1975, who states that textbooks must be in accordance with the topic. I give a 4 for table. I give a total. Total is in the table is 60 and percentage is 80%. It's very good. Next, the design and organization. The table shows that this can be seen from the order, the objective of the textbook. It's close to the teaching program and to the needs of the learners. This is in line with the statement of Limariani, 1919, that 19 and 90, that a good textbook must have achievable goals, should have achievable objective. However, the material is not accordant with Limariani 19 and 90 statement that the material must be objective and also easily to understand. I give the table for the design and organization is total is 73%. It's good. C, language content. The table beside means that the language content of the textbooks is very good. It can be seen with example, conversation, and pronunciation. It is in line with the statement of Limariani, 1990 and 19. The textbook should give interesting for read material, and I give for the table is 20 and the percentage is 18, it's very good. The next is skills. These findings show that the textbook skills are good. This can be seen from the availability of all English material, and the tasks given do not match the material. In fact, there is too much to do. This is not accordance with the opinion of Lee Mariani, 19 and HD, which states that textbooks should begin to develop language skill. I give a total for the table is 22. The percentage is 73%. It's good. The next is topic. The table on the side shows that textbook topics are good. This can be seen from the order. The textbook topics do not have to be related to social and cultural situation. This is not in line with Mahmoud's 2007 and 9 statement that textbook must have interest, motivation, and total for the table is 24, and percentage is 69%. It's a good. And next is methodology. The table beside means that the methodology of the textbooks is very good. The methodology of the first books should have pictures so that student cannot easily guess. It is in line with the statement of Lee Mariani, 19 and HD, that the textbook should not have cartoon and natural dialogues as many as possible so that learning becomes more stimulating for the learners. I have a total for the table is 17. The percentage is 85%. It's very good. Okay, the last is conclusion. Based on the result and discussion, it can be concluded that the textbook Practice Your English Competence, English Textbook for Professional High School, Grade 2, 2018. It is an excellent English textbook according to Canning Stewart, 1995 and 95 textbook evaluation checklist. The textbook fulfill the requirements of an excellent textbook in terms of purpose and approach, design, organization, language, and methodology content. However, in terms of skill and exercise, it still needs a lot of development in order to cover all aspects to better match what researchers state that book was sufficiently in line with the curriculum guidelines. Okay, so that's all for me for the evaluating course book from based on Canning Stewart theory. I see you the next video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.